After 93 years, vacuum cleaner retailer Godfreys has collapsed into administration and announced it will shut 54 stores and axe nearly 200 jobs in the next fortnight. The business was founded in 1931 during the Great Depression. It has appointed PwC Australia as voluntary administrators after struggling to recover from the COVID lockdowns and contending with a tougher economy and lower sales. Godfreys operates 141 stores and has more than 600 staff across Australia and New Zealand, with a further 28 stores run by franchisees. Administrators will continue running the business, but are undertaking an immediate operational restructure that will shutter 54 stores and axe 193 staff positions over the next 14 days.